Hello everyone, I am going to perform VI characteristics of the PN diode by using the virtual lab. So first go to vlab.co.in. So here you are getting the virtual labs, and this is the initiative given by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So go to electronics and communications, and here you are having the different labs. So just go to basic electronics lab. So here they are giving the introduction, list of experiments, instruction, technology used, people and feedback. So go to list of experiments. So here you are having the different experiments, VI characteristics of the diode. So they are given the theory and procedure, how to perform, and simulation and quiz and assignment and the references also. So what is the theory? So anode and cathode and basic symbol of the diode and formation of the PN junction and what is forward bias and what is reverse bias and how the VI characteristics and so on. So they are given the theory. So just go to simulation. So forward bias silicon diode. So here we are having the resistor, ammeter and voltmeter, and the diode is connected in parallel and some DC voltage is applied and they are connecting the ground also. So we have to perform the forward bias characteristics. So for that, first go to voltage. So if the voltage is 0, if the forward bias voltage is 0, and choose the resistor value also by dragging this. So I am choosing the resistor value is 1000. So it is near to 1950. So here the value varies 1020. So the resistor value is 1000 and the DC voltage, the forward voltage is 0, and select the diode also. So 1N4007, this is the silicon diode. So for the silicon diode, the forward cut-in voltage is 0.6. So after cut-in voltage, only the current voltage across the diode will be decreases. So just click on add to table. So whenever the DC voltage is 0, the forward current is also 0. So increase the DC voltage, and click on add to table. So increase the DC voltage, just wait a minute. So I am increasing the DC voltage up to 0.5. So here you are getting the value, and click on add to table. So whenever the DC voltage is 0.547, the current will be increased and so on. So vary the DC voltage and click on add to table. So you are getting some voltages, and again vary, add to table. So whatever the experiment we are doing manually in lab, we can do it virtually also by using this technology. So if you click on the plot, so here you are getting the VI characteristics of the forward bias diode, and you are getting the table and so on. For example, if you want to check for reverse bias, check it for reverse bias. Choose the DC voltage. So initially I am choosing the 0 volts, and the resistor value is some 1000, and the diode number is 1N4007, and click on add to table. So you are getting some voltage, and vary the DC voltage and click on add to table, and do the same experiment by taking the various DC voltages. And if you want, you can plot the graph also. So you are getting the reverse bias characteristics plot like this. So by using this software, you can perform many experiments. So thank you.